We'll guide you through how to get Netlify support quickly and efficiently. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Netlify website and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, head over to the bottom left side of your dashboard and click on the Help icon. This will open up a new page with various support options. You'll want to scroll down to find the Contact Support button if you're on a paid plan. For free tier users, you can join the Netlify Community Forum, which is a fantastic place to ask questions and get advice from both Netlify staff and experienced users. If you prefer self-help, there are detailed documentation resources available under the Docs section. You can search for specific topics or browse through categories to find what you need. Another great tip is to check the Netlify blog, where they post updates and common troubleshooting tips. If you are in need of immediate assistance, you can also look for the Netlify status page to check for any ongoing outages that might be affecting your site. Remember, having clear and detailed information about your issue when you reach out will help the support team assist you more effectively. Providing screenshots or error messages can also speed up the process. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.